Alright guys, I'm kind of fucked up. I just accidentally deleted this video. I tried to recover this with the special app. I just click recover, then I click this button, boom. Unable to find file data. It's fucking insane, bruh. It's very unfortunate because this video was really... Damn, I just can't fucking imagine, like it's so fucking stupid. In this video, I was really depressed after I blew my funded account, which means this video very important to my channel. But I will explain you what was in this video. So yesterday I woke up in the morning. The day before I blew everything. I blew my funded account within 2 hours or something like this. So I was really desperate about this and I was really upset. Yesterday I should trade with Mamba, but that was day off for Mamba because he can't find any opportunity for his strategy, and I started trade by myself on the new evaluation account. My rule, it's not my rule, it's like my strategy for evaluation accounts, very simple. I should start evaluation account with really nice amount of money, which means in a one day, in a one trade, I mean in a one day at least, I should earn at least something around $1,200, and then I can grow a little bit step by step. So yesterday I was so fucking desperate and I just opened the first trade with the three regular contracts in the Nasdaq with MambaFX strategy. He didn't trade it this day, but I was so like impulse to the downside and I opened my short position. This position was cost me like minus $1,200. Then I decided to open one more position with the same amount of contracts and I just blew everything. And I created new evaluation account within the 5 minutes. And I blew this evaluation account too within the next 10 minutes. Then I saw pretty nice situation, and in my third, damn bro, it's just fucking crazy. I know. But bro, yeah, like I told you, it's not funded account, it's evaluation account, and my strategy for evaluation account a little bit different. A little bit. It's really funny because a couple of days before I blew my funded account, which means it's almost the same strategy. Anyway, so in the third account, I just opened a pretty nice trade and I did $1,400, something like this. So yeah, I closed my day for that day and it's the next day. Today I recorded new video and I want to talk a little bit about this experience. That was pretty nice. You will see that I will trade with MambaFX, but in the start of the video, I will tell you that I won't be able to trade with MambaFX because today in my schedule, we must speak with each other in the Discord because we discuss a couple of strategies, a couple of really interesting things that I want to try, and we discussed this too. And plus, I did a little bit of money with the MambaFX. It's evaluation account, so nothing very special, but still, it's a really important video, but because a lot of information you will find about some different strategies, about some different risk managements, and it's pretty nice. It's really cool because I never heard anything like this before. Today we will discuss a couple of things with the Louis. Here is his results for July, 0 red days. His risk management is 1 to 0.25, which means it's negative risk to reward. It's something fucking unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. And if you want to find your strategy, or you just need some help, or you just desperate, whatever you want, guys, just join to our Discord channel. It's absolutely for free, and it's something that I try to create a family. Like, I was really desperate after I blew my funded account, but so much support I had in those 2 days in my Discord channel that I feel really nice about this. Like, really. Not about that I blew my fucking funded account and didn't get it paid out. I just feel really nice because I have you guys. It's pretty fucking important, and you have me. We have each other, and it's pretty important. Like, sorry about my English, very stupid level, but anyway, we just support each other, and it's so good. It's so good. I never thought that I will create something like this. I always hated, I mean, not hated, right, but I was like, bro, stop fucking advertise your Discord channel, just shut the fuck up. But it's something different. It's really something different, and I'm really glad that I create something like this, that we create something like this. So And at the same time, if you want to know something more about the trading, you can watch this video. You can subscribe to this guy. It's in Q Ninja. It's a really important video and it's really interesting to watch about some guy who just did 20K in his Fight account within one first month. It's absolutely insane. So right now, I'm in the circle of very interesting people. It's just insane. And I'm started to realize that, damn, I'm a little bit sad about that video that I deleted. Fucking shit. Anyway, so we have each other. Yeah, in English it's very simple. All right, we have each other. And I came to conclusion. That if you are started trading and you are fucking alone, it will take you so many mistakes, and it will be a long journey. If you will have right people near you, you can, be faster twice or three times, because you will have somebody that could really give you nice advice, that could support you at the right moment. And it's so fucking good. Like, I never thought about this before, really. All the time I was alone, all the time. I mean, I traded in the Ukraine 2 years ago. Right now, probably I have plus minus 1 year experience, but 2 months I traded in the futures. So and because my experience was 2 years ago, we can say that I am newbie. Whatever. I'm not talking about this. I'm just talking about so much important things in the world, like community, right community, not that kind of community where you just pay money and you get nothing. No, it's not that opportunity. It's not that community. Because, for example, my channel, I have nothing to sell. I have no links in the description except Discord link, and it's for free. So I create something, I create community with the same guys who just give you the information for free, just for free. Like, what the fuck, dude? And it's so fucking good. Like, they just watching me, and I was like, oh, this guy hasn't any links in the description, which means he has a pretty nice community, I guess. And it's true. So we just create something where everybody just exchange some information for free. Damn. We just started to create some new society, with very nice people on it, and fuck. I'm glad that I have you. And thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Just insane. Thank you so much. How I can desperate when I have you. It's the second day of my evaluation account. Enjoy.
From worker to trader, day number 42. Today we have something special for you. First and first, probably I will avoid this day with the Mamba, because we have something really interesting. In our Discord channel, it's for free, it's our family, it's just like a lot of people, they struggling with something and they discuss this with each other. So we find some guy, his name is Luis, he is 32 years old, and at some point he just show his month, July. I will try to find this, and in July, it's not his month, right? He has zero losing trades. Probably I can edit this in the video and I will show you, but just to make sure that you understand everything, here is a lot of information that you can always watch, and here is Luis. Literally, look at the win rate. Are you good, bro? Are you fucking good? 81% of the win rate. Let's see. After 100 trades. So this month everything is good, and the previous month, boom. You know what's the win rate? I mean, what's the risk to reward? 1 to 0.25, which means it's negative zero. Sorry about it. It's negative risk to reward, which means it's just fucking crazy. I never heard anything like this. Like literally never. And today we will jump to conclusion that he is genius, and it's obviously, and we will see how it goes. First thing first, I create these things. Wait. Build to get your funded. That platform built to get. What? I already in the top step. Whatever. So, Pivot Classic Daily. You should add this. Here is the settings. You can copy this. Here's the settings, and you can always go to our Discord channel and ask about this. So it's Pivot Classic Daily. You will have something like traditional or whatever. You just need to do everything like I did. Then you need to create this MI pivots. The same situ what? Style. Yeah, and the same situation here. Just copy me and everything will be fine. In the fucking trading view, I don't know why we don't have any information after 3 p.m. after yesterday. It's kind of suck because our tactic is pivot points. It's pivot points. We open our trade from the zone of support. Here is zone of support. We open our trade here. Our stop loss. Wait. Our stop loss 50 points right there, and our take profit 12.5 or something like this. It's very easy take profit, as you can see. He doing this, like, I understand that from the S1 S2 is zone of supports. He in the first touch he opened the long position. The same situation with the zone of resistance in the first point he opened his short position. The same situation here. Boom, 50, boom, 12. Very easy, just like that. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Look at this shit. This guy wanted to show me the strategy too. Shit happens. I don't know how to write happens. Happens. Let's go. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Maybe we jump to a little bit of Mamba, and then we will come back. Let's see.
We'll see. We'll see. I'm thinking about taking early on sales if we break right away, but we will have to see.
He told about this. Yeah, easy. You don't need to pay money for this, guys. You can mark this by yourself. And it's, yeah.
Here we go. We gotta watch out for that early fake out. But I really want to sell this, but I just want to make sure we don't get faked out. I'm gonna try to sell.
Order filled.
Quick sells. Really don't want to get faked out, but we'll see.
Where the stop loss?
Quick sells.
A little bit higher.
Just get ready to adjust
Order
your
filled.
stops on that target one. Up 30K.
We need to.
40K. Nice.
Order filled.
There we go, baby. 1 to
Hit.
1. Make sure you guys start taking some profit now.
It was
It's a
1 to
quick
1?
move. It's okay. It's a quick move.
All right,
Don't
whatever.
expect a fast or slow and steady trade here. It's a quick move. Make some quick profits. Why not? Why not? That might have been the quickest day I've ever had in my entire life, is making $40,000. Holy shit. Holy shit.
What about our Discord channel?
It ain't rock.
Good morning.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
Doing great. I already did $134 with the Mamba. Just like it was fucking funny. I just thought like I will never, open his Discord channel again or whatever. At least today. And I was like, okay, let's do it. Yeah.
Oh, shit. When I do, I share my screen. Oh, wait. Yeah. I found
me
it,
see.
I think.
Wait.
So it's this one.
We can go to the live trading session because there is two guys, if it's okay for you, because it's backtest session.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Good morning, everybody. Luis will came to us in 1 minute.
Oh, hello, Max.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm pretty well, thanks for asking. How are you feeling today?
Doing pretty
Hello,
well.
brothers.
Hello. And I have a quick question, Luis. I have a quick question. Right now,
Yeah,
I am in
sure.
I'm in the trading view, and the trading view is just stuck at 3 p.m. at my time. It's the same problem with
Yep.
you? Do you have the same problem?
Let me. I don't think so. Now for me, it's It's 3:30, actually.
And he stacks, right?
It stops moving for you.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Close and open the.
That way
All
you
right.
view? Let's see.
Yeah.
Uh,
If I refresh.
fuck. The central charts.
Is it working now? No.
I guess no, still no. Let me check real
Oh
quick.
shit. Wait.
Wait, I'm trying. Look, here is the screen at the Nasdaq. Just trying to figure it out. Do you see?
Where is it stuck? I don't see your screen.
Wait,
Ah,
wait.
yeah.
We have news today.
No, only yellow folders. So,
Yeah. I see, Max. Where is it stuck? Because you are not with the Owanda one.
0111.
I think
It's
with the you gotta choose Nasdaq from Owanda, not from. Wait. Yep, that's it. And look for the yes, Owanda.
wait,
Just
here.
yep, this one.
Ah, here we
Yep,
go.
and now that's better.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot better.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so you are waiting right now for the purple line to open your
S-
shirt.
Maytag, what? How are you
I'm
doing?
I see the purple line probably, but it's the price has come already come close to it, so I don't know if I prefer to wait for the red line
Mm-hmm.
for R1 or I don't know, we'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Plus this is the open, so it can be a little bit tricky.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Got it.
I
Let me
need
see.
to mark this one Maytag.
Uh,
This. Oh.
how you prefer when you open your trade and when you're not? Like you see on the pre-session or how it works?
Uh, it depends on the feeling of the market and how do I feel also. For example, now this is the on my top step account. It's a new payout cycle, so I tend to play it a little bit safer. So when I'm already in profits, I made good profits. I kind of like to trade a little bit more risky, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But since it's the beginning of a payout cycle, I prefer to be a little bit conservative. So maybe we'll see. We'll see.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We'll see at the purple line what the price does, and I'll figure it out after.
Okay. Okay. Let me check. Let me check real quick. A little bit missed the part. So, for example, if you will have some candle that will, started to reject from this lane, you will open your trade?
Whoa, my days! Look, US 30,
Holy fuck, I was in the trade. Ah,
Oh,
wait, I already
baby.
made money. Whatever.
bro. What a dump!
Yeah.
But
and
the
you
same
see,
as yesterday. Big like moves.
and you
Sh
see Nasdaq is pushing up right now. So, pushing
Yes.
up. That's pushed
Maybe I
up a
will
little
get
bit.
in longs in the US 30.
Mhm.
But I think for today, I won't take the trade on the purple line on the
Mhm.
mid pivot points of between the pivot points and R1. I
Mhm.
think I'll wait for the green line
Mhm.
between the pivot points and S1, and
Mhm.
I wait for the price to go to R1 at least,
Mhm. And
because you see it's rejecting already, and the top of the high of the day is
What did the
actually
Whoa, look
133.
the candles. Look,
mhm.
look. Look,
Mhm.
Nasdaq.
Yeah, it's
He just deleted
actually
all the fucking
Mhm.
it's kind of strange how is
to open my top
Nasdaq
step.
behaving for the last 3 weeks.
Mhm.
There's no volatility. It's moving slow. My
Mhm.
bad. Sorry. It's a
Wait,
little bit strange.
Mhm.
Maytag,
But
you hear?
1 second.
but for
Uh,
example, on the You see Max on the top of the wick of that red candle on
Yep.
Nasdaq.
Yep.
You take your ruler and you
Mhm.
go to the purple line. It's only 15 up. You know, when you go to the top
Mhm.
to the it's actually 15 pips.
Mhm.
And price has already tested this level twice today.
Mhm.
So if it goes to this purple line, I'm not 100% sure. So I prefer to wait for the price to come and test the
What
red
is
line.
what is this indicator?
It's pivot
It's
points.
yeah,
You can
it's
check
pivot
this.
points and mid pivot points.
So you said it's already tested this lane. You mean here, right?
What is the indicator about? Like
Uh,
how is
it is calculated about the with the high, the low, and the close of the previous day divided by 3. So it's levels that professionals and institutions and everything like that can, some of them, not of them, but some of them look closely to this level.
Mhm.
It's probably one of the oldest indicator.
And you said this lane, purple lane, was already tested because of this? Because of this movement?
It's it hasn't been tested like it touched
Uh-huh.
it, but it was close to it.
Mhm.
So if the price comes to it, it will be a break of these highs.
Mhm. Makes sense.
So 15 pips, 15 points, it's too close. It's too close. I prefer to wait. For example, if the price breaks above the high of the day and goes to the red line, it's a 70 point move. So it's a little bit, it's better.
Mhm.
That's actually a bigger move. So
Mhm.
to gain after 10 to 12 and a half points,
Wait, someone
that's
can
that's
help me
not
for a
crazy.
second.
Mhm. Mhm.
The
When you
pivots,
mark the first 15 minute of the market, and what candle I need to like, what three of
Mm.
these ones?
What do you mean? I didn't understand what you said.
The first 15 minutes. Someone
Yeah.
explained my strategy yesterday,
He
but
he asked about Medkey. About Medkey, it's a
Yeah,
different
The
strategy.
I'm
the
here. Yeah.
ORB.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinda.
Okay.
With the
out
inverse fair
of
value
the
gaps.
candles that I'm showing my screen, what like three of them? What
Mm.
I need to? One of them
You
what
need
I
to
need to.
wait for that 15-minute candle to close. That first one where candle opens.
So
This
On
one?
the mark.
you wait
The
Yeah,
first
until
mark.
one.
yeah.
Yeah, market opened like 10 minutes ago, so you wait for that 15-minute to close.
Like
Mark.
on another 4 minutes or
Yeah,
five?
yeah.
All right.
You just go
Mark
into
the
your 15 minutes time frame. You waited until this candle will be closed, and then you mark your high highs and low lows.
Yeah,
All right.
wait 10 a.m.
Thank you.
And, fuck! I just closed too early in the US 30 fucking trade.
Bro, what
Better
it
than
down
nothing,
is
bro.
crazy. And
Mhm.
yesterday was the same, just like a clear moves.
Like in the US 30, it happens very often. Like in the Nasdaq, it happens like this, like literally two candles. But in the
Yeah.
fucking US 30,
There
it's
is a
always.
there is a strong resistance in US 30 right now struggling. I'm in the trade and it's still struggling. So
And
maybe good you took out from the trade.
I took this money a little bit earlier, probably at the 50% of the movement, something like this. But anyway.
Yeah, I scalped it too. I scalped it too.
And the question is, so right now, Luis, you just wait until the green lane, or if we will come back to the purple lane, we will probably break this lane. Because we always, I mean, we very, very close to this lane.
Exactly,
Max,
Mm-hmm.
exactly. When it's close like that, I prefer to wait for the next level, so which is the R1.
Mm-hmm.
Max, how this is explained, what you're using right here is you're looking at you're looking at three prices.
Mm-hmm.
The top one is the most expensive price. Like people paid that price up at that level. And the medium price would be that purple line. That's the medium price that people want to pay. Like people find decent value out of that, people will buy it. And the
Mhm.
Yeah,
lowest line is it's on sale. Like people will sell or buy there because it's on sale. It's a lower price, and
Mhm.
that's all that calculator shows.
Mhm.
Just look at it
yeah,
like that.
that's
Like medium is good buy sell price. Top is it's overvalued. People are gonna buy or sell there, but most likely sell. And then the bottom is people are gonna buy because it's at a discount.
Mhm. Makes sense.
actually the pivot points are nothing more than support and resistance. It's as simple as that. It's clear as day. It's you've got your levels for the day, and you just wait. And
Mhm.
if the price react to it, I enter the trade, quick in, quick out, and boom.
And do you have, like you said, you have 12.5 points to the long, I mean to the take profit, and 50 points to the stop loss. How do
Yeah.
you like? Do you have these settings in the top step?
Sorry,
Do you have the
I didn't hear
settings
that.
in the top step? Like we have some
I
here.
In top step, you don't have the pivot points indicator, but for the risk settings,
Yeah.
I go to the settings, risk settings, risk 500 and profit for I type 125.
And this is
I
with 5
MNQ.
microcontracts.
Yeah, I trade with the MNQ with five micros.
Hmm. Why you didn't trade with the regular contracts?
Because with, I prefer to be a little bit to play a little bit safer. So if, for example, if I lose right now, I have $3,500 on my balance for my two express account. If I risk 500 per trade, I can lose 7 trades.
Hmm.
And in my back test, I never lost more than for in a month. Maybe if I lose 2 trades, that's the 2 or 3 maximums.
Hmm.
Uh, that's it. I don't lose more than 2 or 3 trades a
And
month.
and I have a question. Like I saw in the one video that you show with us, you had like one day with plus $2,400. Like how?
Yep. It was during a crash out of the Top Step X
Hmm.
platform.
Hmm.
Everything froze. The platform wasn't working, and they refund all the trade loss, the wins. Right? It was complete. It was actually a bit crazy, but they
Hmm.
refund everything.
Hmm.
So that's why there was 2400 day.
Hmm. Got it. Got it. Interesting. Okay, let me check real quick. Hmm. Hmm. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah, I saw that you have like 80% of the win rate. Is
But
it
the win rate is actually not
not
really
accurate?
accurate because sometimes I had another position to a losing trade. It depends on the feeling of the market, you know.
Hmm.
And sometimes I had 1, 2, 3 times. Sometimes I had one to a losing trade. Sometimes I had to a winning trade. Sometimes when you had there's a trade that is losing but 2 are winning, so but overall the trade was a winning trade, but in that trade there was 3 positions and one was a losing trade, so it's not really accurate.
Hmm. 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 Makes
But
sense.
if I had the, the the times where I had to a losing trade is I reduce my risk. I won't trade with 1NQ or 5 MNQ. I will enter the trade with two two micros because maybe I'm not feeling it. I want to trade, but I'm not feeling it. So, for example, for today, if the price comes to the purple line,
Hmm.
maybe before I would enter the trade with two micros, and if it would go against me, I would add if I saw an opportunity. You know,
Hmm.
it's not every time. On 10 trades, maybe I'd head to a losing trade, one trade out of 10.
Hmm. Hmm. So you consider the decision to add in the position that not going in your favor.
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
But as I told you yesterday, that's there is some part of discretionary. So I have my black and white rules,
Hmm.
but it depends on the feeling of the market.
Hmm. Black and white rules, interesting.
So I hope that today I won't get a losing trade.
We hope so. We hope so. Damn, I
I
wanted
hope.
I wanted to open a real quick scalp trade to break this zone, but anyway, in the Nasdaq it's like 15 minutes range. We break this, we can come back, but I will already in and out. I like the scalp shit. Like it's really interesting. The same situation with the US 30. We just hit the level, then we come back and it's already how many points? 40 points, just like that. And in the Nasdaq,
30. It's kind of tricky sometimes.
yeah, yeah, like
During my
100%.
back, I tried to backtest it. I had good results, but there was more losses, and it was a little bit strange. Sometimes it moves like crazy. You open the trade, the next second you made 20 points,
Mhm,
but sometimes you open the trade and 2 seconds later, 50 points down, stop loss hit, and you're done.
mhm.
So it's a little bit strange.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Mhm. We retest the 15 minutes range. Oh wait, it's not 15 minutes. It's MNQ. Fucking shit. Oh, makes sense.
And also, you have to be careful for the breakouts because when there is a wick,
Mhm,
um, it means that at the top of the wick, if you could look at the DOM, the order books,
mhm.
I'm 100% sure that at this level, at the top of the wick, a big sellers came into the
Market.
market.
Mhm,
So when price comes back to it,
mhm,
there's a lot of chance that price might react to it to
mhm,
the downside, to the sell side, because there was a buyer like 5 minutes ago.
mhm.
It means, and the price went down, it means that the seller won, actually.
Yeah.
Even if it's 10, 12, 20 points, If the price comes back to this level,
Mhm.
the sellers will be, oh, great, I can enter another trade. And price might go again
Yeah.
to the sell side. So you have to be careful. That's why we have a lot of fake outs when we try to trade breakout strategies.
Mhm, mhm. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Sure.
Mm.
That's interesting. That's really interesting.
This is urgent, bro. I missed the breakout.
And you see that on Nasdaq, is been ranging. That's
Between
what
15 minutes
about
range.
yeah, that's a 100 point range. It's not moving. And for the pivot points, that's not the ideal scenario.
Mhm,
The best is to, for example, like if you look at yesterday,
mhm,
there was a big move from the purple line. So it was the mid pivot points. Uh, it was mid R1. Price dropped to the pivot points and reacted to it. That was a clean move. But today, it's really choppy.
mhm,
And for the pivot points, sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. So we'll see what happens.
mhm. And we should be really colorful.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm, mhm. Got it.
Anyone took any trades today?
Yeah, short in the US 30, but I didn't hold. It was quick
It's better
in and
than
out.
nothing, bro.
Yep,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I thought like we want to, it's when you follow somebody's strategy. For example, Mamba, he said like, open the trade, and then I hear the sound that he already closed the trade, and I was like, alright, fuck it. But in my opinion, we should have this level.
Yeah, but bro, every time, every
Bro,
video
but
I
Mamba,
watch, it's the same thing over and over again. He says he puts his position tool.
Mhm.
If price rocks up, if it's buy breakout,
Mhm.
if the price rocks up, he says, "Oh yeah, great, we hit the 1-to-1,
Yeah.
so I'll go to break even." But if price goes down to the stop loss, he
Mhm.
says he didn't enter the trade. So sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. It's
Yeah.
it's a little bit shady in my opinion.
Yep, and the same situation, he closed it 1-to-1 risk to reward, and then after day he said like we hit 1-to-5, but he like by himself he didn't hit the 1-to-5. Like it's a little bit weird, but anyway.
And he says you hit 1-to-5, but at 1-to-1 or even less, he say
he
close.
closed the trade.
Mm.
He close 80% of the position, and you let's run
Order
for
filled.
example. He tells people to let run 20% of the position. So it's absolutely not a 1-to-5.
Mhm.
Order filled.
That was so fucking fast, fast fucking movement. Didn't catch.
That is why I don't like fucking breakouts.
Yeah.
You see, Max. I told that's what I was telling you before.
Mhm.
There's a week. That was Nasdaq, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a week on the left side.
Mhm.
You are on the 5 minute chart. There's a wick,
Yeah.
and just look at how price reacted to it. You see,
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
there was a seller at this level. Price came back to it. Boom, rejected it immediately. So that's why it's difficult for the breakouts. Sometimes it will break out and go straight to the moon.
Yeah.
But most of the time, even if your stop loss is really tight, like you had just
Order
before,
filled.
Yeah.
ah, it's difficult.
Yeah, it's difficult, like 100%. Like right now we have like a lot of
You
volume.
see?
Yeah, the same shit.
Yeah,
Yeah, pretty hard. But at the same time,
yeah,
like
that
we
stuff.
push. Oh wait, it's fucking hit to your fucking lane.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
damn,
Yeah, and yeah,
that was
see the
easy.
price reacted to the mid pivot point,
Mhm.
so looks
Yeah,
like he
literally.
likes it.
Yeah, literally from this lane.
But actually, if I trade on the, you can, as I told you, you can start to backtest it on the 5 minute chart.
Mhm.
But what I do actually is when the price goes to one of these levels, I switch to the 1 minute time frame.
Mhm.
If it react to it on the 1 minute time frame, I enter the trade. I
Mhm.
make profit or loss or whatever,
Mhm.
whatever the issue of the trade. I don't care. And if it's a win,
Mhm.
GG.
Mhm.
I wait for the five. I switch to the 5 minute time frame,
Mhm.
and if the 5 minute time frame is reacting to it also, I
Mhm.
enter another trade.
Mhm.
So I take two trades at the same levels, 1 minute and 5 minutes. If the 1 minute is a win, GG, but
Mhm.
fakes out. Actually, it's not a fake out, but if goes back up and the 5 minute doesn't close bullish or bearish, it
Mhm.
depends. I don't take the other trade. I wait for another level.
Mhm. Mhm. Got it. Got it. Hmm. Interesting. 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 Mhm. Alright, there is no volume.
After it, it's volatility is dying. There was a little bit of volatility in the first 20 minutes, but now it's dying.
Mm-hmm. Just if we will break this zone right now, it will be huge movement, but I will see. And plus,
It
it's
can be,
yeah,
but you never know what the market can do.
yeah, exactly.
It's markets doesn't give a shit about our analysis or our pivot points and everything. It can do whatever it wants. So sometimes it's a little bit tricky.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
And then after, for example, if you don't use pivot points or whatever, you can use simply support and resistance. The simplest shit.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes s- simplicity is the better.
Yeah, it's the key.
Yeah, for sure. I've learned it the hard way. But if the price comes to a level, for example, near this purple line, you see that there was a resistance level.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we could have made
Alright, I made
probably.
$150 from a quick move of the ES, but I closed because that was the phone and I didn't know how to put a
Oh,
stop loss.
GG,
We played. We
GG.
played. So you said about
Right.
the resistance?
Yeah. But the resistance. So for today, you see that the high of the day where it is, it bounced of it.
Mm-hmm.
So every time we had we had a 39-point move, uh, 40-point move, and now we have a 19-point move. So every time it touched this resistance level, we could have made 3 times 12.5 points.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't use pivot points and rely simply on the price action
Order
and the
filled.
charts.
It will be pretty nice. Yeah, makes sense. You're right. Yep. Let me see. I think we want to go up in that
And
case.
your buy position is
Yeah, but it's
actually
look
not bad.
like we gonna go down, but the
Order
bar
We
filled.
won't
still
go
does.
down right now. I will explain you.
But,
Yeah, I'm not sure about this, but we will see.
but
I,
if we go on the 5 minutes, Max, your position and your trade, I think is actually not bad because you see that there is a wick at
yeah,
the
we sweep a little bit.
around 40 and 44 levels. So price might want to go back to test it. And I
Yes.
suggest you, if the price goes to this level, to go break even because 3 times in a row price reacted to it. So maybe it can break out,
It will.
but maybe it can
You,
react to it.
you will see. You will see. Look, 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 look. I trust this
Bro, but
trade.
you can make on the 51 on the 50k account you can make only I think 1500, right?
Order
Whatever.
filled.
Yep, that's it. You see?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
Price reacted to the wicks.
I fucked this level, bro. So annoying.
So you had the choice. Either you go break even or you close the trade. But that was good profit, so it's better to close the trade.
Yeah, yeah. When I see this week, like, oh, very often situation that we go above this week and then boom, price down.
Yeah, but price is
Yeah,
this
price.
resistance is really strong. So there's a big sellers. I think that there is big players in this area. So you gotta
Mm-hmm.
be careful.
Yeah, right.
So I suggest you to wait and not take a trade
oh,
between these levels. Ooh,
Yeah, I told you! Fuck, I closed my
ah,
trade.
you could have go break even, but hey, made a 800 bucks. It's not bad, huh?
not going to complain about this.
Yeah, don't be greedy.
Yeah, yeah, makes
Like
sense.
I always said, the small streams make the big rivers.
Yeah, you're right.
Maybe I'll. Mhm. Yes.
And now I guess the price will go a little bit down, but not sure. But we close above this actually 15 minutes range, which means
See, but I think price will go test the. Yep, it's going to test the wick on the 5 minute. It will test the high wick and going back down. Or maybe it will go to the moon.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Simply is that. My exit price 33. Damn, my exit price was literally here. I predict this! Yeah, this former things is just insane.
Yeah, but it's hard to take a decision like that because it depends. If you have on your rules at this level, I go break even, and after that, I don't care what the price does, or and you let it run to see where the price goes, or you close the trade. That's the hard decision to take.
Yeah, you're right.
Wait, do more. Is this a funded account?
No, no, it's not. It's evaluation.
Good luck.
Yep. It is what it is.
This time the price broke up, but it could have go back down, huh?
It could be, it could be. That's crazy move. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's a 100 points move.
Yeah, the S&P is going up too.
And I bet US 30 is crashing
US
down.
30 a little bit
No?
more slow, but I think he will join too.
Okay. This pivot point in the really nice, like
If the
23 to
price,
100.
yeah. If the price goes to the pivot point, I'm gonna and reacts to it. I think I'm gonna enter the trade.
But in my trading view, it's the point 23,200. But in the trading view, I mean in the
Yeah, because in futures and CFDs, the price are totally different.
but
Yeah.
like the candles the same, right?
Yeah, candles are the same, but price are different.
Got it. Okay.
Nah.
Hmm. That's so unfortunate that at the last time we just bounced from this pivot point, like at how many points? Fucking 50 points almost. 45. Just crazy. Just insane. And this trade, like, if I wasn't in Discord, I will be honest, I will hold this trade because I had this decision in the fucking gold. I was in the short position. My stop loss was under, I mean, below, not below, above this level, and we just hit my stop loss and then boom. So my take profit was here, and right now this fucking FOMO, like, what, like, let me see, let me ask. We have bounced from the pivot point, from the year pivot point. Do you feel FOMO or something?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not.
No,
Interesting.
because if I don't trade, if I don't take a trade today, that's fine. I didn't lose any money, so
Mhm.
that not trading is also trading. So, and I wait. I wait. You see, now we are close to the R1.
Mhm.
We'll see what happens. And if I lose, I lose, and I wait for another level. And
Mhm.
if not, I take my L and wait for tomorrow.
Mhm. Mhm.
But actually, I'm pretty comfortable for right now because on my Express account, I already asked for 3 payouts on both accounts. I have a 3.5K drawdown. I
Mhm.
risk 500 per trade.
Mhm.
I, if I if I do 7 trades in a row, I don't think that's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. So I'm I'm chill.
Mhm.
Yeah, I got out, I think, in a second there when I lost 300 maybe or not. I'm not sure.
Mm.
Shit happens, bro. Shit happens.
Yes.
Damn. Nice. I drove this lane before from the some very very
And
old
yes, I lost
situation.
today $200.
Yep.
Fuck.
And this fucker decides to drop before the pivot points. For sure.
Now you feel it.
And now I really don't like that because it's close to the pivot points.
Mhm.
It's like what? 10 points?
10
Yeah,
points
it's
to the purple
10
lane.
points. Red line from the all run level.
Ah,
So it was close to it and price dropped. If it comes back to touch it, now I'm not really
comfortable with
sure
it.
about the trade. Yeah,
Now I get your logic. If we was very, very near from this lane, you're not comfortable to take the trade.
because it already dropped. So I don't know. We'll see.
Mhm.
But hey, no risk,
No
no
Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Yeah, yeah. Makes sense. And it's pretty funny. Like, I really understand your logic, but like this movement, like in the trading view, we literally was pretty close from this lane, and literally after we touch this lane, we just bounce. It's just crazy.
I tell you, pivot points and mid pivot points are really important levels. So paying
Bro, I got
attention
in
to
in a
it
wait.
Hmm. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
is really important. Even if you don't trade with the pivot points, but it's good to have them on your chart because if you are in a position and you are in profits, and suddenly the price drops to your stop loss, and you look at the chart, you plugged in the pivot points,
Mhm.
and maybe you see that the price went to the pivot points, you were in profit, didn't go to break even or close the trade, and price dropped to fuck you up. It's
Mhm.
because it was probably because of the pivot points.
Mhm. Makes sense. Yeah, you're right.
Mm.
And let me ask real quick about another one strategy. Hey, Mitki, is this
Yo.
is already inverse fair value gap from the green lane? No.
We are not looking for close now. We closed above orb high, so
Mm-hmm.
we look for inverse of an bearish fair value gap. So if we inverse this one, or if it makes another one and inverse that one, we will take there.
Okay. So on the left side, that bullish fair value gap, it's not counts or something like.
No, if we break to the upside, we look for buy trades
Ah, okay, got it. Yeah, makes sense.
and down bearish trades.
Makes sense.
Bro, I missed. Look, look. What I wait. You see my share? You see my share?
Yep.
Okay.
Look, I was need to get your input the stop loss here, and I'm like need to like target these lows.
What was your
And
confirmation?
and we have like not a break of structure, but kind of. Here we break this low and reverse to wait, how it's called?
Why you didn't enter?
I entered and something was wrong. I entered the wrong amount of contracts, so I get out to put less, and it was too late.
Okay, guys, one question for you guys. How many strategies you trade?
1 billion.
No, I tried some strategy from someone, but this is my like main strategy. I can show you my trades if I will find it. Wait. But my strategy wasn't good for the last what, like month, not month, last 2 weeks. I didn't have a lot of trades, so
But
but
that's
today
okay.
I had.
That's okay. Even if you have losing months, that's okay.
Yeah, I know, but I started trading like futures. I was in crypto, but futures I started trade like month and a half ago. So wait, I will find
I
trades.
backtested this strategy for 1 year period and got in profit over the year, and 3 months was minus. Not too much, but it was minus like 1 to 0.5%.
Mm.
But that's okay. Most of the traders make their income in like 3 or 4 months of the year. The rest of the year is mostly break even, small loss, and 3 months of the year there's big wins and everything. So it's totally normal to lose some month, weeks, days. That's not a
Yeah,
it's not
that's
a problem.
I, I don't find it, but
Louis, tu parles français?
Ouais, je suis français.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
I was thinking about maybe he know France because the
yeah.
accent. But,
I had French in school.
bro, look what it trade. How much in one contract? How much money is it?
Where do you live in France, bro?
Osegor.
Oh fuck.
It's it's in a city
Bro, look, you
in
risk
the ocean.
300 to
You
almost
look in the
5,000.
ocean.
Yeah.
Bobby, look! I what I wanted to enter but didn't. Look,
Wait,
What's your name on Discord,
what?
bro?
Wait. Who talking that I will go to it?
Mitki?
I wanted to enter this.
Ah, right, here. Right.
I didn't see.
Joking. What? My name?
Yeah, it's Bobby.
No.
No,
Wait, show the trade that you
Mm.
want to take.
We have a couple of
But
yeah.
look the trade, look the trade that I
Bobby.
wanted to take, bro. Yeah, show. Wait. Who was want to show the trade that he
Mitki.
want? Oh,
what?
Me. Go to my
You want it?
yeah, I'm in your share. I'm in your share.
here. I wanted to enter. Wait, here.
I can see your screen. Why? Let me see. Ah, wait. Yeah, I see.
Look, bro. Look.
Oh!
Why the fuck did you enter the trade?
What a miss. Wait. Was need to be like because I can only make 1,500, so it need to be like here. So yeah.
I think the Nasdaq wants to goes down. He will put some orders to the long position and then he will goes down.
I think, in my opinion, I think that Nasdaq wants to fuck us up.
I mean,
Yeah.
he has like this pretty nice situation like manipulation after 15 minutes range. So when we come back to the zone of support, a lot of people they wants to buy first things first, and right after this we can goes down and sweep all the fucking liquidity.
Yeah, bro, I missed big trade today.
Yeah, so this will be my entry if we inverse this fair value gap.
And I missed a look. I missed another trade today because of with my friend. Look, I missed this trade. Wait, no, it's not.
You know, Bobby, that it's when you're trying to find what you missed, it's not good for your health because you will always will be in the FOMO. Do not ever try to find what you miss because you will fuck up your account. I just like did this a couple of times.
Know, but yeah, another trade that I missed. Bro, what a shit. But when like I'm not when I have days that I'm all day, like not all day, but all open market, and I don't find my strategy is like not working. But when I'm going to 15 minutes to play, like do something with my friends, this is when the fucking my strategies work. So it's kind of like
It's always
upset.
like that.
Yep.
But this is upset because
I think you guys have problem with just searching for setup. Just chill, guys. Look at my chart. I'm not moving it. Just waiting.
Yeah. If you have some setup in that case, yeah. But I mean, I always move the charge because I wanted to, you know, some movements, don't static things. At least.
Me personally, I set my alerts and I wait.
And you trade only New York session, right?
Yep, yeah.
Mhm.
Because in the morning, in Europe sessions, Nasdaq is slower. There's less volatility, so I I had to. I tried to backtest it with a 50-point stop loss, 12.5 take profit, but it's too long. It's strange. It doesn't move. Maybe with 25 points and 6.5 on take profit for the take profit can be good, but I don't have the strength to backtest again.
Mhm.
Now there something is working, so I stick to it, and I'm not trying to fix what it's working.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense.
Yeah.
Hmm. The big participants just wants to buy the price from this level, from this zone. That's the reason why I didn't open my short position, but we have short movement. But if we will break this zone, it could be a pretty nice opportunity to go at least to this lane. Yep,
See your screen, Max.
VWAPs there.
I didn't share the screen.
No.
Yes, you're sharing. I can see it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So
I don't see it. Ah, shit, I was not on the good one.
So like I said, this zone is very important, like really important. And right now
Yeah.
we're struggling with this zone. But
Because it's the pivot point of the day. If
Oh.
you look at the chart, it's the orange line. It's the pivot point. So it's the equilibrium. So that's why there's a lot of interest in this area.
Yeah, yeah. Makes sense. And now we're trying to break the zone. But it's very,
By the
very
way,
hard.
guys, by the way, guys, did you know that everything is support and resistance?
Sorry?
Did you know that everything, literally everything, is support and resistance?
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah,
Everything.
look at this.
It's
Look at my chart.
it's just
Look-
support and resistance.
Yeah, look
Yeah.
at my chart, for example. Look at this. For example, this fair value gap. Look,
Yeah,
resistance.
this is yep,
For
yeah.
example, it's this order block. Look,
This is a resistance.
yeah, resistance, support, resistance.
All these concepts, fair value gaps, supply and demand, SMT, SMC, and all this is actually in the end only support and resistance.
Yeah, same shit, literally.
Yeah.
Yep. Like I said, easy movement to the downside.
Why didn't you enter, bro?
Because
Look,
I'm in the
look, my
Discord.
trade was full TP, full TP. Whoa, look.
Full TP.
Full
Oh
TP.
my days. What a miss. Well, I'm gonna feel bad now. Like it's like $1,200.
Yeah.
Bro, just full port. You'll feel so good. Believe me.
Just full
Ah,
port.
By
But your
10.
your analysis was good, so don't be mad at you.
nah, I know, but I never like. I don't know. I need to get better. I need to get better. But my strategies work. But yes,
You have to be more focused.
more focus and less scared to risk money.
Yeah, actually. Yeah. Well, actually, you are trading on top step also?
Yes.
Yeah, so who gives a shit? It's just $50 for a 50K account. So
When you say it like this, you're kind of right. So
yeah,
I don't know
it's
what
50
I'm so
bucks.
scared.
So don't be scared. Don't be scared. You just need one or two good
Trades.
accounts. Yeah,
Oh,
trades, accounts, and go. It's to the
yeah,
moon after that.
yeah, but
You can struggle for a month, and then everything clicks in just a week, and then you make everything back plus you make profit. So you don't have to be scared.
I'm going to get something to eat.
You be careful. You're gonna lose. You're gonna miss a setup.
Yeah, perfect setup. Okay, so we don't want to come back to the zone. Just see
It
for some
looks like
confirmation.
yep.
Damn. Like you said, it's like 50, it's just 50 bucks in the fucking account. But I missed this trade when I closed too early, and the same shit when I just realized that we wants to goes down. Like I feel this, like I really feel this, I really understand, but like I'm trying to find some confirmation and all that stuff. Plus, it's a little bit harder when you sit in the Discord, so I didn't open the trade. But anyway, it feels nice that you can understand something, like you know.
Why it's hard when you're disco, bro?
Because it's like it's pressure. It's pressure first and first, and plus once a lot of people they talking, you can't hear yourself. Like you hear their opinion and
That-
all that stuff.
Yeah, but that is why you need like strategy with strict rules.
And
Uh,
plus, we are
Yeah, that's
relying on you.
vital.
at the
Yeah.
same time, there is a two trades. I mean, there is a two options how to trade. The first one it's mechanical, and the second one it's what that calls.
Discretionary.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So when you feel something and you're already like I have this level over here. We push to this level, then we started to a little bit slow down. And my strategy is like it's always levels. If I see the level will be broken and I feel this and I see my confirmations, I will enter the trade and the same situation. Like here, it was the same trade and the gold. We have liquidity from the top, so we must have to take this liquidity. And boom, we take this liquidity. And after this, it doesn't make sense to be here, and we goes down. So in
Thanks.
that case,
How long have you been trading for?
I've been trading like it's kind of hard to say because when I was in Ukraine 2 years ago, I have been studying for the charts at least like a half of a year, maybe 1 year, something like this. But in the futures, it's like 2 months. But futures, crypto, what is that? Well, forex, it's all the same.
So pretty much 1 year, right?
I mean, yeah, like in total, yes, but like like futures and all the stuff in America, it kind of feels a little bit new, but it's the same patterns. It's the same shit, like price doing sweep liquidity, took liquidity, boom, goes down. Trap for some buyers that wanna buy from this level, and boom, goes down, like some kind of shit. Then another people they wants to hear the breakout here. So before the breakout, we can like have the biggest fuck green candle. It will be trap for buyers, and then we will break this level. Like a lot of things in the market that you can see, but sometimes you're just scared to go to them. So yeah.
But that's a suggestion. That's an advice. If you struggle with the emotions,
Mhm.
like you said in your last videos,
Mhm.
you need. I think at first you need clear mechanical
Mhm.
strategy with rules written next to you.
Mhm.
You have all your rules. You look at the charts. You check. Everything is there. Okay, I enter the trade like that. And after, I think when you gain some experience and feel of the market, you can switch and incorporate a little bit of discretionary. But I think for you,
Mhm.
if you struggle with emotions,
Mhm.
I really suggest you to try to have a mechanical strategy. You can have that with your levels and everything,
Mhm.
but you need a structure.
Mhm.
It will it will not only structure your trading, but also structure your emotions. You know, you follow your plan. You know that with the backtest you've done all the data that you have,
Mhm.
that over a long period of time it works. So
Mhm.
if you follow your plan, you know that in the long run you'll be profitable.
Mhm.
You know, so mm, for your emotions, it will be a game changer. And then after that, once you can follow your rules for month, then after that you can incorporate some discretionary. You
Mhm.
know what I mean?
Yeah, like your strategy is kind of it's mechanical plus discretionary because you feel like if the price
Yeah,
will
but
be.
at the very beginning, it was only mechanical. I had my level, boom, 1 minute, boom, in and out.
Mhm.
Simple as that. Now, since I've been trading that for a year and a half and 2 years actually,
Mhm.
I'm starting to feel a little bit better the Nasdaq because I only trade the Nasdaq, so I kind of feel like what it wants to do now. But before that, that was not possible. I had to have that mechanical approach in order to incorporate some discretionary.
Mhm. Mhm.
So that's just an advice. And then after
I mean, yeah, I
you
mean
do
yeah makes
whatever you want.
sense. It makes sense
But for
because
the yeah.
like it's kind of yeah it's kind of hard. Like I can't answer for the question what's my strategies, but like it's kind of hard. Like I don't know. Like it's.
Yeah,
Bro,
personally, really, I suggest you to write down your rules. Take you just like you trade now with your levels. If you want to use the liquidity and all that, that's totally fine. Everything works. Actually, there's not a
yeah,
better strategy than another one. Everything works. SMC, ICT, or whatever you use. But
not
you have to have data. If you don't have data about your strategy, you don't know what your losing streaks can be, your winning streaks, and emotionally it will be really hard to stick to it, you know, if
Mhm.
you don't have data. Because for example, if you know during your backtest of maybe 2 years or 1 year of backtest on NQ, you know that during the year you come across maybe 2 or 3 times a year you come across a 6 losing trade in a row, you know.
Mhm.
So if it happens, you're totally fine because you know that in the long run, if you keep following your plan and your rules, it will play it out. You'll be profitable. So you don't give a shit about
No, bro.
this losing streak.
Mhm.
Again.
Mhm.
please,
Mhm.
bro.
Yeah, you're
Can you
right.
look at my chart? I'm charged.
Interesting.
Yep.
Hello.
Well, that's a nice one. GG.
Yeah. I need to place the from this one, from this level. I need to buy from this level, but I marked it wrong today. I just think like here is the little support and resistance level. When I go to
You,
this macro
you,
level,
you entered that trade?
yeah, I entered that trade.
Hey, that's fine. It was
Yeah,
close. It was a
my
close one.
strategy. Yeah, my strategy looks so simple to me now, but a lot of time
Maybe I'm
I
going to
just
right here.
confusing the support and marking the support and resistance.
Alright.
If I
Yeah.
see
Uh,
like that macro level, it looks way long to go, right? This looks
I
so
see.
big, yeah. But if you make this like this, you can literally see where to mark the resistance, where to mark the support, right?
Sure.
Yeah. I already mistakes one trade for today. Actually I'm break even today. It's like I go here. No, I entered wrong today. I just
So
marked this one. But yeah, my
you
first trade
want?
was like
Oh, okay.
yeah, and this is SL. And I trade 1:1 always.
One you aim for 1-to-1 risk to reward?
Yeah, one to
Yeah,
one.
Oh,
it's
look.
totally fine. Totally fine.
Like, but I need
But
to get down.
today I'm break even. I had to be in the profit today,
Come down,
but I just missed it.
Mm.
calm down, calm down.
Wait, Bobby is talking to the chat. Wait.
Alright, go ahead.
Sending some prayers.
Like this yesterday also, bro. Yesterday also, I made same.
Again, bro. Yeah, I missed him.
Right.
I missed
This is
it.
where market.
Why are you laughing, bro? No, I didn't miss. Like, my strategy wasn't fail, but like, look the move. I was needed to get it. Look, like, come, like, close above this area and come back down to there, and I will enter there, but didn't happen.
Then you didn't miss it.
I didn't miss, but I missed the quick move. Look.
Oh, fuck it, bro. There is
No,
a
yesterday also I made one mistake, bro.
there is a quick move
Shit.
every day. Like
I missed the trade. Damn. Damn. I should just be in the straight like 1 month ago. Fuck.
Which one, bro?
Wait, anyone take any big trade today?
For the moment, I haven't taken a single trade.
if this candle closes above this red line, I am entering.
Interesting. What about
Interesting.
Mr. Luis? Are you waiting for the purple line or you will don't give a fuck about
Red,
purple line?
the purple line can go fuck herself. I wait for the red one. I'm
Okay.
waiting for the red one.
What the fuck is going on with this candle? What is this?
Wait,
I don't know.
But how the price is moving right now with a lot of volatility, I'm kind of scared with the red line right now. I feel like it can break the line, and I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Be patient.
Hmm. So why you didn't open the trade? Because it's a little bit too much volatility. Because we already break this level before, right?
Who me?
Wait.
No, Luis.
Wait, Max. I'm not on your screen. Yeah.
bro.
No, I'm here.
Yeah. So,
So
but at the
yeah,
same time, if you will take your trade, like it will be like a little bit points already below
um,
your take profit.
but I wouldn't. I always wait for the 1 minute to close. So I
Hmm.
would not enter the trade yet.
But the
In
one
15
minute
seconds.
here,
Yeah,
one
one
minute
minute.
close. Yeah, it's 1 minute. I
Uh,
mean, we close this
yeah,
candle and boom.
yeah. This one, if the well, yeah. Now I would enter the trade. For example, if I trade the purple line,
Mhm.
Now, let's say I enter the trade, I'm in a sell.
Mhm.
Yeah, I always wait for the candle to close in the opposite direction. If
You
it's
in a
a
sell?
resistance. No, I didn't enter the trade because this level right now is kind of
Okay, because
fucked
I'm
up.
in a buy. I'm in a buy. Don't sell now, please.
I'm gonna sell 1,000 contracts in order to move the price down.
Who is in the buy?
Me.
Ah. Why you was quiet?
You can see it, bro. I share
Uh,
chart.
Luis, are you a funded trader?
What?
Are you a funded trader, Luis?
Luis.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Yeah, you talk like that.
Bro, send me money if you're funded, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
hmm.
Atke, do you trade FUG?
Someone
What?
want 1v1 in
Do you
Clash
trade
Royale?
FUGs? Fair value gaps?
Order
Yep.
filled.
What the fuck? Wait. Ah, it's MNQ. God damn it.
Order filled.
Oh, Max, you enter the trade.
Yeah. It's inverse fair value gap. And all that stuff.
Nah, you saw my signal, bro.
Yeah, I'm just following by signals. Let's go. So,
He's going to charge you $90
yeah,
for the signal.
yesterday, he just sent me the video of the guy who just using this strategy, like inverse fair value gap after break 15 minutes orb strategy, and I was like, okay, that sounds good. So we have
But you must pay attention to the stop losses also. You always put I saw your videos. You always put stop loss like so tiny.
Yeah, that's what I was
Mm.
thinking right now. This is really small stop loss.
Can you see where is my stop loss? It's like at this swing low.
Oh yeah, like this. Wow, that's a lot of money, bro.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you're in MNQ. You can like put just 2 contracts or 3, whatever.
I fucking
Because 20,
Atke, do you
20
show
points.
what your last trade?
Sorry?
What's your last trade, Matke?
Oh,
What,
Yeah,
Emma?
yesterday's trade. What do you do yesterday?
Yesterday, wait, I'll share a whole screen. This was my trade yesterday. Wait,
good
can you
trade you took
see?
yesterday.
I can't see your screen. How?
Wait. Why is not showing?
Because it want to.
What the fuck, bro?
I'm not able to see anybody's screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's not sharing. What the fuck?
Switching
wait.
screen. Yeah, let's go.
What about now?
Yeah, we see.
So this was we
What?
broke orb
$1?
first up, but we didn't get setup. Then down, and this is an inverse, and I entered it. That's all.
And you have $1 from the trade? 1.75.
What?
It's error. Okay, I got it. Because I thought it's like $1.
Yeah.
1 okay.
It's 170. It's 1 to 2, but it's 175 because I take 20%, 25% off it 1 to 1, and I put to break even, and then the rest goes to 1 to 2.
Got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
So let's do stop loss today.
No, thank you.
You will risk 1,000?
No, I will like wait a second. How to close the trade here?
Yeah, just sell. Yeah, just sell.
Order filled.
Okay.
Do more
But it's
sell,
still not
Matke.
enough. That is still not enough. Your stop
You
loss
need
is
to
so
sell.
big.
I think you. Wait, how many points is that?
It's
42. It's
68 points. Holy fuck.
wait a second. 60. How much you want to risk?
Like if probably $600, something like this.
600.
So.
Still three more.
Order filled.
I mean, yeah, something around. But if we will go up a little bit, maybe here, I could consider to add the contracts and go to break even. So let's see.
You can. I wouldn't do that.
I mean, yeah, it's like.
Because you know, Price. Look at my screen. Price really wants to do this shit. Look at this. For example, go up. Go up now, and then go all the way down to retest this fucking fair value gap.
Yeah, makes sense. Maybe.
Or go retest our stop loss and go up.
Yeah. About stop loss, I don't like, but yeah. But this is huge amount of volume. And actually, where is the daily highs? We really. Yeah, a little bit even bigger daily highs. Wait, I marked the daily highs, but they sounds like. Anyway.
Luis, go buy.
Yeah.
Everybody buys the price. Let's go.
Let's go. If everybody will buy the price, we'll be a fucking millionaires.
That's not possible, actually.
Yeah.
I actually think that the price wouldn't even move 10 points if all the retailers bought the price at the same time.
Yeah, 5% of the market.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Yeah. But if we will buy it, we will move the market 100%. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, sure, but only 5 points. Put 10 contracts on it, and boom, you're good.
You want me to put 10 contracts? Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Fucking... No risk, no Ferrari.
That's actually what I do for the combine.
No risk, no Ferrari.
I go full risk.
And it's the whole point. Like it's a combine. It's $50.
I'm tired of the eval. It's so bothering. It bothers me so much. So I want to pass it in 2 days. So it's full.
You can pass in the 2 days.
Wait.
Yep.
Wait, guys. Sorry, Bobby missed another trade.
No.
Yeah, but look.
Shit.
People feel full TP again. I missed. But now I know this is a good strategy.
Nah, bro. No, don't do that. It's just 1 day, bro. How you know it's a good strategy?
No, this is not my first Dre. I'm training this strategy for the past like month and a half.
It's not his first Dre.
This is not my strategy. I took it from a TGR and another person, and I combined it with some things. I don't know.
Look, bro. Even me who backtested it for a year, I still think it needs more backtesting.
You need at least.
Wait, you missed
300s.
Whoa, you missed 1 year. You missed 1 year of opportunities.
And wait, when it will enter a trade for real, it's gonna it will go to stop loss.
It's not going to happen that full TP. It's going to stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. Oh no, it's lower low. Holy shit! I like this lower low, not gonna lie, but we need to retest before we will do higher highs. Plus, we can target the previous day highs, which is absolutely cool, because we already took the previous day's lows at the same time. Yeah, pretty much it.
Okay, let's do stop loss.
No, let's not do the stop loss.
No, I when I get into the trade, it's already stop loss.
Thank you.
It's easier like that. It's already a stop loss.
Oh, so I should just do a prediction against you. Now I get it. Simple as that. Simple as that.
Bro.
Luis,
it
would
is
you want to open your trade because it's purple lane?
what I was thinking, but it's close to the red line, so.
Yeah.
But look at the market is moving. I
I'm.
think that it will be a no trade day. Huh?
Hmm.
I don't know. We'll see.
No, we must gamble every day.
Yes, it's absolutely. We miss so much opportunities, bro. Where
Oh
is the
fuck.
money?
Wait, what's Bobby
Wait,
doing?
yeah, I have a question. You can pass your funded account with 2 days because they will just remove this amount of money that you will earn above 1500, right?
No, they will not
To
remove. You just need to
no.
make more money.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's
you
50%. You
you
can make
so
50%.
you can put the stop loss. I mean, take profit with plus $1,500, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So, for example, you can make 2K, but
Okay.
then you will need to make 4K because it's
Yes.
50. It's because 2K is 50% of 4K.
But for the 50, wait a second. For the
For the
50K
50K
account,
account.
yeah, it's $3,000. It's the target.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
You only
50% of that,
1,500 a day.
it's 1.5K, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
So if you
the
make 2K, you'll need to make 4K because you have
yeah.
consistency rule 50%.
Ah.
Yes. Absolutely.
Ah. Uh-huh. Okay, got it. And in that case, you can pass the account within the 2 days.
Yep.
So first trade, 2 grand. The second trade, 6 grand. I mean 4 grand.
No,
Interesting.
For example, if you make 2 grand on the first day, you gotta make two grand the other day if you want to pass it in 2 days, because there is the 50% consistency rule.
Mm-hmm.
So your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of the overall profits target, the overall profit target.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Got it.
So look at X chart. He's doing some crazy things.
going to stop loss.
Perfect. I love that. No
And if
stop
it
loss,
goes to
no
stop loss,
problems.
we go to stop loss and we go do something else.
Perfect. Perfect an idea.
You
Fuck.
recording now?
Yeah, I'm recording, but I should go in my fucking job. I don't want to see in my job fucking stop loss.
Yeah, that's
Just
bad.
just tell them that you're sick. We
You
don't
know
want.
what should you do, bro? Because you have a job, swing trade.
Yeah, but in the top step you can't.
Then go with Forex.
Uh,
But be careful. The CFD prop firms are full of scams. There's probably three prop firms that are good.
Like FTMO, Fivers, and I think that's all actually.
I've traded with Alpha Capital and my funded FX also. They always paid me.
they always. You never paid to them?
Sorry? No, never paid. No.
They always paying me.
We literally wanna bounce from this level. I wanna go in my job. Oh, let's go. I close the trade. See you guys. I go to my fucking job.
Sorry guys, that was a little bit stupid that I didn't have a space on my computer, so my recording just turns off. But anyway, that was a pretty nice day. We closed the day with plus $500, and that was one of the best days ever. I'm not gonna lie, because I predicted movements, but I wasn't in these trades. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because it's something about that you can see, you know. I see the movement. I predict 2 really big movements, and I already was done for the day if I was in these trades. Exactly like Bobby. Yeah, it sounds stupid, I know. It's kind of hard when you have not strategy. It's true. The guys in the Discord channel, they say they're pretty true. Like, if you not have a strategy, like mechanical strategy, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. You will always be in this position when, oh, I should be in this trade or I should not be in this trade, wherever. My strategy is, it was like all my 1 year, I guess, because I was in Ukraine and I always use the levels. In the Ukraine, I use the breakouts. In the crypto, when we touch the level 5 times, it will be 100% breakout, like 100%. It will be fake breakout or it will be just breakout. In the both cases, you will have your money. In Ukraine, I did like from the $200, $800 within 2 weeks. And that was a consistency and everything was fine. But then the same situation, one day you blew everything. So yeah, that was absolutely my mistake, not gonna lie, but it's my strategy. My strategy is just the levels. But sometimes for me, confirmation, it's like fair value gaps, it's like 15-minute SORP. So for me, confirmations, it's something that I always change. And it's okay because the market always changed. But anyway, the first trade, I wasn't in the trade. I mean, I closed the trade very early because the MambaFX did. Yeah, I'm kind of guy, you know, I'm trying to find my strategy, but at the same time, I already have some strategy. And it's kind of stupid, not gonna lie. Like MambaFX just closed the trade and I was like, we still didn't touch the level. We will touch the level and then we will bounce. Like it makes sense. So after I closed the trade, after maybe 3 or 4 minutes, we don't have even green candles. We just boom, bounce from the level. And that's the whole point. That's the whole strategy. Like you should have levels. When the price breaks some level and she goes pretty nice, she will go to another level. She won't be able to just, you know, reverse in the middle of nowhere. Like it could be, right? But the probability of this is very low. So in that case, I should just wait until my take profit. But anyway, then I forgot what's the trade I did. That was some bullshit trade with minus $600 or even more. I forgot what is that trade was. But anyway, then I opened my pretty nice trade. Like I blew my account in the gold when I moved my stop loss to the levels of the wicks. When you have a lot of wicks, we probably at some point we want to sweep this liquidity and then goes down. So we sweep this liquidity, that was already my take profit, and then we go a little bit higher and then we bounce to the downside. Then we have some liquidity from the downside, and I predict this movement too. Like I said, in this level, the price wants to go down because we need the liquidity to do higher highs from the previous day highs. Yeah, sounds stupid, but anyway. And that was happened. Like, yeah, it goes down. Then I thought like we want to go a little bit more down, but after big as fuck green candle, but that's what I said. But after big as fuck green candle that I predict, we should have some confirmation to go downside. That's the reason why I didn't open my trade. So we have not some conversations. Sorry about that. We have not some confirmations after the biggest fuck green candle. So we just started to go up, which is absolutely fine. Like I said, I cannot open my short position without any liquidity sweeps to the upper side because it makes sense. Plus we stopped on the level. We started to distribution, observation, have no idea what the word it is. But anyway, at the end of the day, that was a pretty nice day. And in the Discord channel, as you can see, we have Luis that I tried to apply his strategy for today. And all that fucking time when we hit pivot points, we just bounce from them. But I understand Luis in 100%, I mean almost in 100%, right? Because I'm still trying to learn. He said when we have a lot of movements before the level, it's kind of hard to open your position. And I agree with that. Because we could break this level very easily, even with the fake breakout. We could hit a stop loss and then goes down. Anyway, the Luis, pretty nice guy, like 32 years old, and he has pretty nice mentality. Like when everybody just opened their trades in the Discord channel, losing money, earn money, he was just sitting there, and for him that was a no trade day, which is absolutely insane. Because for me, Discord, it's kind of hard thing, because sometimes I have a FOMO and all that stuff. Exactly like a Bobby. Oh, I missed that trade, I missed that trade. And at the end of the day, I just opened my trade with them. His nickname is kind of hard to pronounce. I will just, you know who I'm talking about. So yeah, I just opened the trade with his strategy that he shows me yesterday. Right after I write the comments in the Discord channel that I blew my funded account, he write me a message like, bro, I can help you if you want, like I can show you the strategy absolutely for free, just if you want. He showed me the strategy. He showed me some videos on YouTube about the strategy, about the 15-minute SERP strategy when we break the level. And then we wait until inverse fair value gap, which is interesting, which is really interesting. So if we will break above, we wait for the long position inverse fair value gap. If we will break below, we're looking for inverse fair value gap to the downside, which means short position. And it's absolutely cool because its strategy is like 1 trade per day and you're done for today. Probably when I close my trade with plus $500, that was a pretty nice, just because like I don't give a shit. I mean, I'm going in my job right now and I don't want to feel bad about this because probably we will have some corrections. It will be a pretty long trade, but it will hit $1,000, I guess. But I don't want to see like, I want to feel the price. I want to see the charts when I'm in the position. So if I go into my job, the perfect decision will be just close the fucking day. Close the day and close the trade and then goes to my job. Yeah, that was a pretty nice day, like literally. And that's the whole point of Discord channel. Like before, if I will blow my funded account or some shit, I will feel so fucking bad. I just remember this feeling in the Ukraine when I blew everything. I was alone, you know what I mean? I was alone and I was struggling with all of this, and I was like, damn, bruh, maybe it's not for me, blah, 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 blah. But when you have a Discord channel, you see that a lot of people, not peoples, what the fuck is peoples? But anyway, a lot of people, they making money, bro, they making money. Why the fuck you can't? Even if you will have to copy them, just copy them, because it's kind of sounds stupid, I know that, but before you will be a profitable trader, you should copy someone, right? If you will copy this guy, and at the end of the day, you will have the thoughts in your head like, this strategy works for me better, this strategy works for me better, this strategy I don't like. In that case, it's kind of cool. But if you will try to apply every strategy in the world, and in the end of the day you will say something like, oh, nothing works for me, or I don't know what to do, I should switch another strategy, you will be in the nowhere, in the middle of fucking nowhere. I'm trying to switch the strategies, right? I'm trying to find something that I am really patient for with the strategies, and I apply their strategies with my own logic. I opened the last trade with the strategy of this guy. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, I can't just pronounce his name because it's a little bit hard for me. So yeah, I applied his strategy, and at the same time I just realized that we really above the 15-minute SORP. We already sweep the liquidity from the previous day lows, and plus we already sweep a lot of ton of liquidity after it's kind of hard to explain in the fucking English, but anyway, we sweep liquidity from the 27 days. We was on the 27 days long trend, and then with 2 candles, with 2 days, we just sweep all this liquidity. So next, today day, we just sweep liquidity from the previous day's lows, and we have a lot of opportunity to go up, plus the previous day's highs. So it's a lot of confirmations to open your trade to the long position. So I decided to open my long position, yes. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's not my strategy. I just decided to open the strategy with this guy. Plus, I opened the strategy because I thought it's pretty nice opportunity. That's all. That's all that I need to know. So yeah, if you want to see something like this, first thing first, you are the first person who will see what will be the next video about, because I will write some comments in my Discord channel, about, bro, I lost everything, whatever, because usually we all need support, right? If you blew your account, if you struggling with something, you will always find the support in our Discord channel. That's the whole point of Discord channel. It's not about the signals, it's not about that stuff, but sometimes you can find this information too. Why not? If you're struggling with the strategies, just text us, and we will send you back some beautiful strategies that you will have 10 stop losses in a row. you get my point anyway. Like, it's pretty nice. I love that we create something like this, and I'm kind of, you know, struggling with this. Yes, sure. After this previous video, you already know that it's kind of hard. Absolutely, it's kind of very hard to say to yourself, like, bro, you just lost everything. But this is my channel, guys. I will show everything, blew everything, wherever. I will show this. If I need to go on my job after this, I will show you this, like, whatever. So yeah, that was a pretty nice day. I'm glad that I closed this day with plus $500. We need to do $1,000 more before we can pass our evaluation account. So yeah, it's kind of speed run. Louis said me something really interesting about the evaluation account, that you can pass this account with 2 days. Pretty interesting. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I hope everything will be fine, but I'm still not find my strategy, not yet. I should discuss more and more with Louis about this, and then we'll see. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next episode.